Hi guys, how are you? This is Jarsos Lectures. By this video, I bring you very interesting topics, which is about two HTML elements. Those two HTML elements are video element and the audio element. Before proceeding to my lectures, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like my video, and to share the video links and the channel links with your friends. Since the very interesting topics are there here, share it. Don't miss this chance. Don't miss the video. Is what I want to say. When I directly proceed to my points or my lectures, as I have told you, the lecture is about HTML video and HTML audio. Uh, Actually, HTML elements are defined using HTML tags, uh, as I have told you within my previous videos. If you say what is HTML tag, you can watch my previous video. Anyways, yeah, HTML elements are usually defined by HTML tag. So this HTML tag tells the browser what to do in order to define an HTML element on the web browser. We use the tags. With the help of tags, we can do what we want. A lot of HTML elements are there: image, video, audio, paragraph, different text, link. Different HTML elements are there. Each of them are defined using HTML tag. Okay, let us see how the video can be defined and how the audio can be defined. And to insert the video or to define the video uh, or web browsers, or to display now a video on the web browsers, actually to display the web page is already web page is always written by HTML. This is what I have already explained within my previous video. Web page is an electronic document which is written by HTML and displayed on the web browsers. Now video is one of HTML element which is defined by this video tag. Tag means what included in between angle bracket. Between opening and closing angle bracket. It can be single character. It can be word. What in between angle bracket is what we call HTML tag. It is used to define HTML element. Now, video elements can be defined by this video tag. And to define the video, also one important attribute is SRC. SRC, or to means the source. SRC, as we have seen in images. Image is also defined by IMG tags. Then this attribute is also there in image also, to define the sources of that image. HTML attributes has two parties. HTML attributes have two parties. One is attribute name and the one is another is attribute value. Now this is attribute name. SRC or source is attribute name is, and the value for this one is URL, or the name is of that video. Actually, URL means or uniform resource locator means unique identifiers of that content within the webs. As you can see, SRC attribute to local or remote URL containing the playable movie or playable video. Now, let us see how to define it. Now, before coming to the practically, Doing what it means? Look here, video tag src. This is video name is of the video, name is of the video. Width, height, in the same way we can specify the height and the width of or the dimensions, totally the dimensions of the videos, as in the same way with in the same way as we can specify the dimensions of the image. Let us see now within these programs. Actually the structure is written, or the main structure, the main skeleton is written here. Let me insert video tag, video, then src equal to here is url. I will fill it again. I will fill it later. Okay, url. Okay, rather than specifying any heights in the width, let me finalize by this way. For example, let me say video. Okay, closing tags of video tag. Now url is there here. We have to fill the names of the images. Now one thing I want to tell you is that in order to define an image or video or audio in an within, to define it within HTML file and to display them on the web browsers, the file to display this video, the file to display this image, the file to display this audio, and the audio itself, audio files, and the HTML files. This HTML file, this is now HTML files that displays this audio, audios of this URL. And the audio file itself should be available, should be present from one directory or from one folders. Now let us save this one. Save as. So we already we have saved it within this Jarso directories on desktop. Let me change this one to video. The name video dot html. File extension is must. This is one mandatory. File extension, because each file has file extensions. For example, document has .doc, PowerPoint has PPT file extension, video has .mp4. Different file formats of file has different file extension. Then save. Then before displaying on the web browsers, let us see as there is audio in my directory or not. For example, this one is the directory that I use in order to save my files. Video.file is this one. Is there any video file, another video file? For example, this sound file is a video files, as you can see. Then let me insert this one, let me display this one in my web pages. For example, before the name is sound. Okay, sound here in place of URL, you should fill it is name with its file extensions. Okay, video dot mp4. This is the point. This is the point. Let us see what will happen. Okay. Sorry, we the file name is not the same. The file, our video name is sound dot mp4. Look, as you can see, it is this one. The video name is sound.mp4, not video.mp4. That is our error. Look, or the error, that is the error that we have made. Look, now the name is we have corrected the name. Let us see what will happen. Look, now there is a video, but it is not playable video. What is the problems? Inserting, look here, inserting this control attribute is must look here. The playback can be displayed. Look, the playback can be displayed using controls by including the controls attribute. The playback can be displayed using controls by including the controls attributes. As well as dimension. Dimension is optional in order to display. Including these controls attributes must controls. Then save. Let us see now what will happen. Look now, it is playable. Look, it is playable video. Okay, in order to make it clear, let us select another video. For example, this is also a video file. Let us use this one. Okay. Okay. Look, change the place. The name is this one. Okay, let us check it again. Look, it is attach what you can attach to your web pages. Now, another thing, let us specify in the same way that we have specified that we can change the size, the dimension means height and the width. This is also can be specified on image in the same way that we have specified for images. We can specify it for videos. Okay, height equal to, for example, let me say 100 in pixels. Then height equal to, then also let me say 100. Actually it is too small. Let us see what will happen. Look now, the video is very small. This is the picture, one picture. Let us remove the picture. Okay, let me remove these images. Okay, now let's see what will look now. Only the video. This is our video. We can specify the dimension as we want. Since out of controls attribute, we can't make the video playable. In order to make it playable, we have to use these controls attribute to place our video. And the next is about audio. This audio is also one of HTML elements, and it is defined using audio tags. Using audio tags, we can define an audios. We can define it in the same way with that of a video, in the same way. And to make it playable, we use audio tags. Anyways, as I have already told you, on image and on video, in order to display image, in order to display video, in order to display audio or web pages, we have to have that image or that video or that audio file in the HTML file that display that images or that video or that audio from the same directory or from the same folder. This is the point. That everybody have to be reminded. Now let us see. It is defined by audio tag, and in the same way we have defined for a video. This src or source attribute is used to specify the URL or where the location or what the name, by what name we can access the audio which we want to attach to the web browsers. Okay, here audio, then source src equal to, let us say for now, URL then here let me say audio, then both audio and the video tags are container tag. Container tag means the tag that has both closing and opening tag separately. Now this is URL means the name is of the audio with this file extension. Let us check as we have an audio from our directory, the directory which is in which this file is saved or not. Audio means the file with MP3 file extension. We have this one, the named audio, specifically it is named audio. Okay, let us check first. Let us check at this audio or not. Okay, now we can simply attach on our web. Okay, within our HTML files, and then we can display on our web pages or within our web browsers. Okay, we have already written the lines of code for attaching an audio. Now URL, the name is audio .mp3 audio.mp3. This audio is not for for all audio tag. We don't use this one. This is now the name of the file. Bear in mind, please. This is the names of the files. Look here within my directory, which I have saved my HTML file. This audio.mp3 is there. Our name can be another's. For example, like this one can be sound. We use here the names of the file with these file extensions. And then now let us see what will happen. And here, including control tag is must. Control tag is must. This is to make it playable. This is for purpose of to make it playable. We must include control tag. This is our audio files. Then we can separate them by horizontal lines as we want this. This is depending upon our want this. For example, let us separate them by horizontal line. Okay, let us see what will happen. Look, they are separated. We can give the color for these separate lines. For example, color, let's say, okay, let me say green. The green color is my favorite color. That's why I have selected the green color. Okay, let me see what will happen. Look, you can separate them like this one. Actually, in order to divide the screens, we can use frames, but now for the time we can use this, and I will do what frame is, or I will do another video for the frames very soon. This is how to attach video, or how to define video and the audio on web page, or how to define them within HTML files, within the HTML markup language, and then how to display them on the web browser. This is the concept. This is all what I have as summary. Within this video we have seen how to define by what tag it is defined as one of HTML element, how we can define HTML video element and HTML audio element on the HTML files, and how to display them on the web pages. This is all what I have. If there is an unclear idea, if there is unclear point, if there is any ambiguity concepts, any ambiguous concepts, you can raise by writing it down or on the comments. And again, what I want to say is that if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like my video, and to share the channel link and the video link with your friends. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Bye.